Magnifico. Beets, look at those beets, gorgeous. Taking this basic beet juice recipe, which is beet, carrot, ginger, lemon, and apple. Now you have a choice of green apple for detox, red apple for sweet and strawberries. They are defrosting. Recipe numero uno is 2 carrot, 1 beet, 1 thumb of ginger. It doesn't have to be this big, okay? And 1 apple, 1 lemon. Basic, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 ingredients. If you want to double up the recipe, use the 2 beets and the 4 carrots. So let's do these. Beets are boosting circulation. This is a prime ingredient for a detox recipe. So we're gonna do our beets first because I want to use the beet and carrot pulp for my energy balls, and I'll insert the recipe for you. I also have it in my free juicing quick start guide. This recipe plus the other 2 green recipes. So go ahead and download that now so you can follow me on the juicing tutorials. Get ready because beets will stain your cutting board. And I want to use that pulp. Those beet energy balls are delicious and nutritious. Beets a beauty booster because beets are good for your skin too. Just a little skin on the beets if you are not scared. So let's do the beets first. Carrots, we use 2 beets, so I'll use 4 carrots. Lemon and green apple and ginger. And lovely red. And this is the beets and carrots, so them balls gonna be good. Baby ball. Let's do this. Gorgeous. Magnifico. That's good.